Ma'am, hi.
Yes, a very good morning to all of you children. In today's session, we are going to learn about words. That is worksheet 2. In today's session, we'll be doing the exercise B, that is how to rearrange the letters into meaningful words. We have already started with this exercise in the previous session. So we'll be continuing with the same exercise in today's session too. Okay, children. So I wanted all of you to be ready with your English grammar workbook. That is page number 5. So I know that we have already finished with nearly 6 plus 6, 12 words, I believe. Now the later words. So we have few more words to complete in this exercise B. Let us complete it. So I hope all of you are ready with it. So you know the rules, how to learn the spelling of the words. I've already taught you. So these are the letters. We know when the letters are joined together, we get words. So we have to arrange the letters in the proper order so it has to get a meaningful word. That is what we are doing and in this exercise also. When the letters are not arranged in the proper order, we may not get a proper word. Have you understood? That is what this exercise tells us, exercise B. When the letters are not arranged in the proper order, we may not get a meaningful word. So it is very, very important to know the spellings of the words even, and also its pronunciation. Okay, so I taught you how to learn the spelling of each word. If it is a one-syllable word, children see that you spell out it through its individual sound. Okay, so b, r, d. Okay, so each letter has a sound. Some letters have combined sound, that is Okay, similarly, like this is dough, this is fish. SH also has a combined sound. Okay, so some letters do have combined sound. So you have to pronounce the word accordingly. So each letter, as we have learned, it has a sound. So if it is a one-syllable word, see that you sound out through its individual sound. Okay, so fish, it is a one-syllable word. So you have to sound out through its individual sound. Okay, children? I hope it's clear to all of you. Okay, but if it's a more than 2 or more syllable word, we have to break the word into syllables and sound out the word. So it is mouse. It is mouse. Okay, it is a 2-syllable word. So it is mouse. So it is mouse. Okay. So class, I've told you, CL has a combined sound. So CL, class. Okay, so it is class. So we have finished with this exercise. So we have finished all the words in exercise A. We have completed that exercise and now we are in exercise B. So I wanted all of you to get ready with it. We have already completed few words. Ma'am will be writing those words on the board. If you haven't completed it, see that you complete it now. Okay? So all of you, please do take your pencils. Baby. Okay, what's the spelling of baby? It is baby. Okay, it is baby. All of you, please do write it. Yes. So it is B-A-B-Y. Baby. Okay, the next word is aunt. I hope all of you have completed it. This, yes, it is aunt. Third word is, it is river. So it is a 2-syllable word. So you sound out through its, separate the syllables and you write it. That is re-ver. Break the words into syllables. That is re-ver. That is re means R-I, then V-E-R. It is ver. Okay, this is also, it's a 2-syllable word. It is hotel. Hotel. So as we have finished with this exercise, children, I'm moving forward with this exercise. We have a few more words at the end of this exercise to complete. When I reach there, we will do it. Okay? So it is queen. Q-U-E-E-N. I hope all of you have completed this. This is daughter. It is also a 2-syllable word. So you please do write it. Da-ta. T-R. So we have finished with all these 6 words. Now let's move on to the next word. It is girl. Girl, girl. And the next word it is horse. 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 It is horse. Clean. Next word is clean. It is clean. Next word is Oman. Please don't write it again and again. Those who haven't completed, please see that you complete your work. Once we complete all the exercises, I'll be sending it in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Mouse. Please try to complete it during the session itself, children. So it'll be easier for you. It is bedroom. It is a 2-syllable word. To break the word into syllables and then you say, so it's bed means B-E-D, bed. Room. It is R-O-O-M. Okay. So I hope all of you, we have finished with all these words. Have we finished with all these 12 words, children? Yes? Yes or no? Give me a thumbs up. No. Have we finished with all these 12 words?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is there anyone who hasn't finished with these 12 words? All of you finished. We have finished it during the last session itself. We have completed it. Yes, very good. Very good. Yes. Elephant. Yes, I know it. I know it. We have completed till elephant. This address we have. Yes. Library. Yes. We will start with library, but as such, I can't leave it blank. Okay. So this exercise, I can't leave it blank. That's why I'm asking you. Just check whether you have completed. Okay. So just I'm writing it for you. So it is gar. G-A-R. Garden. D-E-N. It is also a 2-syllable word. So it is garden. It is also a 2-syllable word. Dock. D-O-C. Dock. T-O-R. Yes. Yes, those who haven't finished, right till here. Till elephant, we have completed. From library, I think so we have to finish. Okay. This is mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. It is village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. Okay. This is pick. P-I-C. Picture. T-U-R-E. Picture. Elephant. E-L-E. Elephant. P-H-A-N-T. So I hope we have finished till these words. Now let's move on to the next set of words. That is, I wanted all of you. I hope all of you have finished till here. Now let's move on to the next set of words. Yes, Arati, come on, Arati.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on.
L D I A R Y R.
Okay, when we rearrange the letters into meaningful order, which word do we get there?
Library.
Library. Very good, Arati. It is lie. L-I. Lie. All of you please do write it. Bra. B-R-A. Bra-ri. We can't. How many syllables are there in this word? There are 3 syllables are there in this word. How many syllables are there? 3. What are they? Library. Okay, so there are 3 syllables. Similarly, you break the words into syllable as you write it. Lie, R-Y. Okay, I wanted all of you to write it. Write it, please.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Arati. Now let's move on to the next person. Next person is Ayush. Okay, complete it. Yes, Ayush. Yes, Ayush. Yes, peacock. Very good. It is peacock. All of you, please do take your pencils in your hand. P. P-E-A. P.
P-E-A-C.
C-O. Cock. It is C-O-C-K. Cock. It is also a 2-syllable word. Peacock. Peacock. It is also a 2-syllable word. So P. P-E-A. P. Cock. C-O-C-K. Write it, all of you. Please do write it. If you haven't finished. Yes, Evelyn, come on, Evelyn. Do the next word.
TALHOSI.
So what is that word is? When you rearrange the letters, what word will you get it? So we know that when the letters are not arranged in the proper order, we may not get a meaningful word. Okay, so this is not a meaningful word. Now we have to rearrange the letters. So what we have to do? Yes, it is. Yes, what you said is right. Come on. It is. We are familiar with this word. We have, it is.
Toys.
No. This word, my dear. It is a place when you are sick. You go to this place. Which is that place? This. What is that?
Topic.
What is that?
Topics.
No. What's it? Yes. Yes, I'll move on to the next person. I'll come to you later. Okay. Yes, Joannata, come on, tell me.
Hospital.
Hospital. Very good. It is hospital. Okay. See here, H-O-S. Hos. So we can break this word into 3 syllables. Hospital. T-A-L. Okay. So similarly, you write the spelling of the word hos. Break the word into 3 syllables. So you will learn the spelling so easily. Okay. So you have to break up the word. So when you break up the word, children, it is hos, p, till. So there are 3 syllables in it. So hos, p, till. So this helps you, my dear children, to learn the spelling quite easily. Okay, hospital. So when you pronounce it as a whole, it is hospital. Okay? Yes. Now let's move on to the next word. Megdash, come on, Megdash. 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 Yes, Megdash, are you there? No? Megdash is not there? Yes, then I'll go on to Adam. Adam, Joe? Adam? Yes, Adam. Next word. Adam, Joe? Come on. Next word is. It is. Adam, Joe is not there. Adam? No? Okay then. Joannata has already got a chance. Sandria, come on, Sandria. Do the next word. Yes, Sandria, unmute it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do the next word. It's very easy for us. What is this word? Is K-H-I-T-C-N-E. When you rearrange these letters, what word will you get? We have already learned this word. What is it? Yes, all are ready with the answers. Yes? Yes, Austin. Come on, Austin. Say the answer.
Kitchen.
Yes, very good. It is kitchen. So when you break the word, so it is kitchen. Okay, so when you pronounce it as a whole, children, it is kitchen. Kitchen. Okay, TS, you're not giving more stress on the word. So it is kitchen. So, but when you write it, don't forget to write the letter T. Kitchen. Okay, very good. Manav. Come on, Manav, do the next word.
Man. Man.
Yes, Manav. Can you unmute it, Manav?
And
Yes. It is the name of the month. What month it is? You have learned the spelling of the month in upper primary, that is in upper KG.
man.
Yes, what is the name of this month is? Manav, are you there? No? Okay.
Man.
Yes, who wants to say the answer? Is there anyone who's ready with the answer here? Yes, Malaviga. Come on, Malaviga. Come on, do it.
February.
Yes, February. What's the spelling of February?
Yes.
F E B R U A R Y. February. Okay, February. R-U-A-R-Y. It is February. Okay, similarly, January also, J-A-N-R-U-A-R-Y. Okay, even the spelling of Jan.
Jan.
January. What's the spelling of January? J-A-N-U-A-R-Y. January. Okay. Similarly, February to F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. Okay. January. January.
F-E.
Okay. So January, February. Okay. All of you, please do write it. F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. February.
Man, page number.
Page number is 5. Yes. Now let's move on to it's a last word and this exercise, children, and I want Jewel to say the answer of that word.
A.
Yes. Days of the week. Jewel, can you unmute Jewel? Yes. Yes, my dear. What happened? Are you not able to? Okay then. Now let's move on to the next person. Ruthvik, come on Ruthvik. Ruthvik, can you unmute it, Ruthvik?
N-E-S-A-I-D-W-E-D.
Okay, so which is that word is? It is it is?
W-E-D.
Yes, it is wedness and day, D-A-Y. Okay? D-A-Y.
What?
D-A-Y. I'll write it here. It is W-E-D. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Okay, when we pronounce the whole word as such, the D is silent. What happens? One minute, my dear children. Something has gone wrong somewhere. Yes. It is Wednesday. Okay? It is Wednesday. So we have completed with this exercise. One minute, children. Something is going wrong somewhere. That's what. Yes. So it is Wednesday. Okay. So have all of you finished? Yes. So we have completed with this exercise, children. We have completed with exercise. Now we have to learn the spelling of these words are very, very important. The spelling of these words are very, very important. So we have to learn the spellings of these words too. Okay, so this exercise B is very, very important. Okay, so I've told you how to learn the spelling of the words. It is some of the words are quite easy when you break the words into their syllables. Break the words into syllables and then you pronounce the word and then you write it. Okay, so that you will learn the spelling quite easily. Now let's move on to the next exercise, all of you. So this is exercise, you have it, that is exercise C. You have to write the 10 words under each head that names. Okay, under vehicle, under the head vehicle, you have to write 10 names of vehicles. Okay, are you all ready? Yes. So names of 10 vehicles has to be written. Are you ready? Okay, I'll be calling each one. Each one has to give me the names. Okay, each.
Page.
Okay, I'll start with. Are you boys are interested? I think so. I'll be calling all the boys.
Page.
Wait. I'll be calling all the boys. Maybe the boys are interested with it. So boys will be called for this vehicles. Okay, the next round is birds. So birds I'll be calling girls. Okay now. So are you all ready? Yes? Yes? Wait, I'll start with Adinath. Adinath Pisunal, come on. Give me a name of a vehicle. Bus is already there. Other than that.
Car.
Car, very good. Car. Very good. So all of you please do write it. Car. C-A-R. Car. Very good. Now let's move on to the next person. All of you turn on your videos. Yes, Karthik, come on. Give me a name of a vehicle other than bus and car. What is already written, I don't want it. Other than that. Many vehicles are there. What is that? Come on, unmute it. Yes, come on, Karthik.
Bike.
What is that?
Bike.
Bike. So when we say bike, children, we can't just say bike. That is, we are using like that word. But when we write as such, okay, so we have to write there motorbike. Okay, motorbike. Okay, so we have to write it as one word. It is motorbike. M-O-T-A-R-B-I-K-E, motorbike. Okay, all of you please do write it, motorbike. Very good. Motorbike. It is T-A-R, okay, children? Motorbike. Okay, if you are finished, now let's move on to the next person. So this round, I'm going to call only the boys. My means, yes. Can I move on to the next person? So have all of you finished? Car is over, motorbike is over. Okay, Siddharth K. Sandeep, come on. Think. All the boys, please do think of a vehicle. Okay, I'll be calling boys now for this round. Yes, Siddharth, come on, Siddharth. Yes. Come on. Come on. So car is over, bus is over, and what all we have finished? Car and motorbike is over, bus is over. Yes. Still more are there. Come on, Siddharth. Bus is over, my dear. Bus is over, car is over, motorbike is over. Yes, come on. Other boys, please do think of it, okay? Yes, what you said? Come on, tell me.
Scooter.
Yes, scooter. That is right. Scooter. Scooter is a vehicle. Scooter you can write. But when you write bike, children, please do write it motorbike. Okay, scooter. All of you please do write this scooter. Yes, C-O-O-T-E-R. Scooter. Very good. Scooter. Scooter. Yes. Scooter. Scooter. Yes, Henry. Henry is ready with the answer. Okay, those who know the answer, please do raise your hands, children. Only boys round is this. This round is for boys. Yes, come on.
Jeep.
Jeep. Very good. It's Jeep. Very good, Henry. This Jeep. 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 All of you, please do write it. Jeep. Yes, very good, Henry. Well done. Yes. The next person, you can raise your hands. Boys, are you ready? Yes, Meghadash. Meghadash, come on. Come on, tell me the answer.
Jeep.
Jeep is over. Is there any other vehicle? Yes? Meghadash? Van. Very good, Meghadash. It is van. V-A-N. Van. Very good. Very good. Yes. Yes, children. So we are getting many names as such. Very good, Meghadash. Now let's move on to the next person. If anyone is ready, please do raise your hands. Only boys, okay? Next round is for girls. Yes. So Ritvik, come on, Ritvik. Come on, tell me. Ritvik.
T-R-U-C-K, truck.
Truck, very good. It's a truck is a vehicle. Yes, truck. T-R-U-C-K, truck. Okay. T-R-U-C-K, truck. Very good. Truck. Yes, write it. Ritvik, very good, Ritvik. Truck. Yes, Austin. Come on, Austin. Come on.
Train.
Train, very good. Train, T-R-A-I-N. Yes, we should also know the spelling of these words, okay? So it is train, T-R-A-I-N. So we have completed with 8 words. So 2 more words are there. Let me see who are willing. Rihan, do you want to say it? Muhammad Rishan? Yes, Rishan, come on.
Lorry.
Lorry. Yes, lorry. Truck.
L-O-R-Y.
Yes, L-O-R-R-Y. Lorry. Okay, lorry. Lorry. L-O. Okay, is there any other word? Yes, Muhammad Rishan. Lorry. I have to check whether such words are there. Lorry. Okay. Okay. Now, the last word. Yes. Ah, yes, Daniel. Come on, Daniel. Come on, tell me.
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane. Okay, so it is aeroplane or aircraft. We can write it. It is aircraft. Yes, we can either write aircraft or aeroplane. Okay, sir. So we have written 10 names of vehicles now. Okay, now let's move on to the next head. Have all of you written? Very good, Daniel. Very good. Yes. Now let's move on to the next head. That is all about birds. That is for girls. All of you, please do complete it. So have all of you finished, children? If you're finished, give me a thumbs up. Let's move on to the next. Yes. So can we move on to it? Yes. So birds. This is the girls round. Hayan, you haven't completed it, Hayan? No? Yes? Completed it?
There is one word, ma'am.
Which word, my dear?
The 10th word.
10th word is aircraft. Please do write it there in your book. All of you, please do write it, children. Finished? Yes, okay. Okay. So what about Rishan? Haven't you not completed? Please do complete it. Otherwise, we'll do the birds in the next session. Yes, my dear. Rishan. Come on, tell me.
Ma'am, one more box here.
Yes, come on, write it fast, Rishan. Write it fast if you have not completed it. Then the next, we'll be doing it in the next session then. If you have not completed, then it's time up.
Ma'am, one more line.
Yes, write it, take your own time. So we'll be doing it, all the other rows as such, we'll be doing it in the next session. Okay.
And one more line is here.
Yes, I wanted all of you to complete it, children. More, only 1 or 2 minutes more. So we can't move on to it.
It's finished. Then one more box here.
Okay, complete it, my dear. All the boxes are over now. All the 10 boxes are over now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 3 we haven't finished now. 7, 8, 9, 10. Bus is already written there. So we have 10 now. 10 names of vehicles. We have already written it.
Here, one more box.
Yes, complete it then. See that you have written all the names of the vehicles in all the boxes. Please do check it. Have you written scooter,
Okay.
jeep, van, truck, train, lorry, aircraft? Now it's already time up, my dear children. So it's time for us to wind up today's session.
It's 11 then.
What is it?
It's 11.
What happened? Yes. Yes, children. Don't talk in Malayalam. I could hear you talking. What happened, my dear? Rishan, please do check it and tell me, okay? Please do check whether you have completed all the names of the vehicles here. Okay? Please do check whether you have written. Ma'am will tell the answer. The first one we have written is, all of you please do check. Bus is already written. So it is car, motorbike. Okay? So it is scooter, jeep, van, truck, train, lorry, aircraft. So 10 names of vehicles. We have already written it. Okay? So we have come to the end of today's session. If you have any doubts, again, give me a message. Okay? So we have come to the end of today's session, children. Okay?
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,